Hello friends, welcome to TOFF Club Shopping. Today we'll prepare very tasty vegetarian spaghetti. This is very delicious. Please watch the video till the end to understand the complete procedure in detail. Thank you so much. Keep watching.
Spaghetti, green onions, carrot, lesson, 1 tomato, chili flakes, salt, black pepper, tomato sauce, butter, frozen green peas, capsicums.
Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the recipe, please subscribe to my channel TOFF Club Shopping and keep watching for more such interesting videos. Thank you.